This AI startup just raised $17 million, and here is why everyone is watching. The future of AI phone calls is here, because this AI handles business calls better than most teams. So this is Fonio AI, and this is Europe's fastest growing AI phone agent startup. Basically the AI communication tool that every business will soon need. One of the biggest problems for businesses today is communication overload. Missed calls, slow customer replies, overwhelmed support teams, too many messages across too many platforms, and that's why this caught my attention. So Fonio AI has just raised $17 million in seed funding at a $140 million valuation. And this is a massive number for a speed round, and it is for one specific goal, which is to build the AI communication suite for small and medium businesses globally. So after looking deeper into what they are actually building, I can see why investors are paying attention. So what exactly is Fonio AI? Well, at its core, Fonio is currently the market leader for AI phone agents inside Europe, and they are focused on something incredibly practical, which is helping business automate customer communication. Starting with phone calls, and you can see here in dashboard, they are expanding into a full suite, including WhatsApp as well. They are moving beyond just voice, integrating into WhatsApp with more channels coming soon. And also chatbots, emails, CRM, workflows. Basically, their vision is becoming the complete AI communication layer of SMEs, meaning small and medium enterprises. First, let's just have a look at the AI phone agents. So right now you can see I have created two different kind of agents. One is phone agent and another one is WhatsApp agent. Before I explain any features of this AI phone agent, let me just quickly do a test call. So I can simply just click on this test call button. So I'll just choose this particular microphone and I'll then click on allow while using this site. Start the call.
Hello, this is Lena from the Metaverse company. How can I help?
Hi Lena, can you just tell me about the services of Metaverse company?
We offer AI and immersive solutions tailored for healthcare and education sectors. This includes virtual reality training, AI-driven simulations, and interactive learning environments to enhance skills and knowledge effectively. Would you like details on a specific?
Yeah, of course. I'm actually based in London. Do let me know if I can set up a meeting.
We would be happy to arrange a meeting for you in London. May I have your preferred date and time for the meeting?
I'm available on 10th of June at 1 p.m. and I am based in Soho, so just schedule call accordingly, like schedule a meeting accordingly.
I have noted your availability for June 10th at 1 p.m. in Soho. I will arrange the meeting accordingly and back to you with the confirmation. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's it. Thanks so much.
Thank you for contacting the Metaverse company. Have a great day.
Bye. It ended the call itself, so that was amazing. But you can see overall it was very interactive, and I mean, it looked very natural. I could actually provide more information to this AI agent for further more details, but this AI agent is specifically focused on inbound calls. So when customer calls a business, basically, so Fonio AI can answer instantly. It can handle the conversations naturally, understand the caller, respond appropriately, and guide the interaction without human delay, which matters a lot because a missed call often means lost customer bookings, of course lost revenue, bad customer experience, and businesses lose money every day because no one answers fast enough. And Fonio's AI agent just solves that problem. And creating an AI phone agent is as simple as it gets. All you have to do is just go to fonio.ai or just click on the link in description. After that, just sign up, and after that you can just create an assistant. So you can simply just click on this create assistant, and here you can create a phone assistant. So let's just give this assistant a new name. I'll just give this assistant this name. So I'm just going to call it Zan. Click on create assistant, and now my new assistant Zan has been created. Now there are essentials. I need to assign this assistant a number. So you can see already, if you just go back to all of our assistants, already you can see Lena has a number. So this number is assigned to Lena. You can assign a different number to Zan. So let's suppose this is Zan assistant. I can assign a different number. So I'll have to buy a new number to assign this new number to this assistant. Once you assign your assistant a number, after that you can just set up any details in here. So let's suppose answer questions. So what sort of questions do you want them to answer? You can add a source, you can add knowledge base, you can check knowledge base. I'll guide you in a minute. You can update your knowledge base, and then you can add company information. You can add everything possibly that you can add inside about your company. By the way, if you just provide your company details in here, it will automatically populate information about your company in here. So this is my company website. I'll simply just click on generate, and now you can see it is going to just scrape all of the data from my website and then populate it in here. So you can see now this is the data that it has just got from my company. So it knows almost everything about my company. It has got the official email address, the company address, frequently asked questions, all of the services, and basically everything which is required from any customer, and basically anything that anyone can actually ask about my company. Now I can simply just click on save. So you can see knowledge base has been updated, company information has been updated. I can update knowledge base as well. So I can add any further entries or any further inquiries inside knowledge base as well. I can add a website, I can add a document or anything that I want to add inside this knowledge base. Similarly, you can set up a transfer call as well. So if you just want to like set up a transfer call, you can do that too. So let's suppose if someone asks to like speak to a certain person, so you can add a user in here. You can check calendar before the transfer. You can send maybe a notification email as well before the transfer call, and also you can assign a number as well. So it can directly then transfer that call from AI agent to an actual real human being. So I can just like provide a number in here. So if customer asks to like speak to a real human being, so then they can just like directly transfer that call from that AI agent to a real human person. Also you can connect your calendar as well. So maybe that person is already in a call with someone else at certain period, so it can have a look at the calendar and can let the person know that this person is right now busy. So it can just like schedule that transfer call maybe 1 hour later or 2 hours later, or whenever the availability of that person is. Similarly, you can set up the send email as well. So this will send automated emails with call data, dynamic recipients and customer templates, which is great for sending transcript, summary and more. So you can set up all of that in here. The next step is custom prompt and instructions, and basically in this section this is the script that the agent says. So you can fully customize this script as well, and it can be very engaging, more interactive and less boring. Similarly, you can set up SMS as well, and also you can set up the book appointments as well. You can add a new calendar, you can add maybe Calendly, you can add scheduler or maybe Cal.ai. You can also set up webhooks as well, and also you can do all of these different integrations with Airtable, with Baserow, with Google Sheets, with Make.com, with N10 and with Slack. So this way you can like set up your complete automation. So whenever a new call is received, so if you have to run any sort of like automation, you can totally do that inside integrations. Now the biggest differentiator here is seem to be their orchestration layer, and this is basically the intelligence layer coordinating everything happened behind the scenes, like understanding the conversation, routing responses, managing flow, connecting systems, maintaining context and making AI phone interaction feel more natural. Fonio AI is also one of the first systems to solve turn detection in AI phone calls, which is a huge technical challenge, knowing exactly when to speak, when to pause and when the human has finished talking. And that, by the way, has been one of the hardest parts of voice AI. Also, as I mentioned earlier, they have already expanded into WhatsApp, allowing businesses to manage text-based queries with the same level of intelligence. And they're building towards chatbots, emails, CRM integration, which means eventually a business could manage customer communication across multiple channels from one AI-powered system. That includes phone, messaging, email, support, follow-up, all connected. And that's a much bigger vision than just AI answering calls. That becomes full communication infrastructure. Now let's talk about privacy and compliance. This part is especially important because Fonio is fully GDPR compliant and aligned with the EU AI Act. And honestly, for businesses in Europe, that means a lot, because when AI handles customer conversations, privacy and compliance are non-negotiable, especially for customer support service businesses, sales teams, bookings, healthcare, legal, finance, all these sort of businesses. So this gives businesses confidence while adapting AI. Now let's talk about why investors are paying attention. The growth numbers are pretty wild. They are doing 2 million plus automated calls per month, growing around 30% month over month. They are already at $6 million annual recurring revenue, targeting $30 million revenue by the year end. And now they have raised those $17 million with backing from major investors including 20 VC, and they are also working with brands like Volkswagen, Brita, Storebox. So this is no longer an early experiment territory. This is real adoption at scale. What I personally find interesting about Fonio AI is that they are not building AI for novelty. They are solving a real business problem: communication overload, missed calls, slow response times, disconnected channels, and they are turning that into one unified AI communication suite, starting with AI phone agents and then expanding into WhatsApp and soon chatbots, emails, and CRM. And that's very ambitious vision, and clearly investors believe in it. If you want to learn more about Fonio AI, just check out the link in description below, and do let me know in the comment section, would you trust AI to handle customer communication for your business? And if you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.